Hi everyone, this is Chris from A Bar Above, and today we're going to be talking about bitters. How do you incorporate them into cocktails, and what do they actually add to the final drink, so stay tuned. So the use of bitters is fairly common in craft cocktail bars these days, and there's tons of options out there. I don't even want to think about how many different bitters company there are on the market. It seems like one pops up just about every week. But that was not always the case. I remember when I first started tending bar, there was one option. We had Angostura bitters, and most of us didn't even know how to use it. So what we're going to be doing today is actually focusing on the role of bitters in a cocktail, and what is it doing to the drink. So what I'm going to do is actually test it out on my test bed cocktail, which is the lemon drop. The reason I like to use the lemon drop as my test bed is because you don't have a lot of complexity in there. You have 3 ingredients and only one of them is contributing flavor. So the recipe I'm going to use is just the 2-1-1, 2 ounces of spirit, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. So what I'm going to do is actually test this out on a lemon drop. So this is going to be a traditional lemon drop. This one is going to be a lemon drop with the addition of bitters, and this is going to be vodka, simple syrup, and bitters. Now they all have kind of the same ratio minus the variations within each one of them. So I'm really going to focus on what the bitters are contributing to the drink. So there we have it. We have our 3 different drinks. Like I said, lemon drop with bitters, and this is just vodka, simple syrup, and bitters. So I'm just going to taste my way across this, and we'll see kind of what is happening. Now I'm really focused on how the bitters are playing a role in here. Are they helping to increase the acidity? Are they helping to decrease the acidity? And the same thing as far as the sweetness goes as well. So let's go ahead and start tasting my favorite portion of this. So now let's take a look at these 3 drinks and see what's kind of happening within each one. Now there's no reason to kind of go over lemon drop. It's exactly what it sounds like. Lemon, bright, sugary, sweet, the whole 9 yards. But with the bitters, the bittered lemon drop, what you notice is that the acid kind of comes through a little bit more, so it has a little bit more tartness to it, but it adds a ton of complexity as well. So you have those layers of, the baking spices and other flavors that this particular bitters brings with it. Now, the thing I was most interested in finding out with this experiment was how the citrus and bitters play together. Does it amplify the bitter notes? Does it kind of detract from them? So that's why I created this final cocktail. So what I noticed with this drink is that the bitterness is definitely much bigger than the one without citrus. So citrus helps to kind of tame down bitters, and bitters helps to brighten citrus. It's kind of a weird relationship that they have there. So there we have it. So we'll have some more videos in the future, but until then, as always, have a great shift and cheers, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on Google+, or visit us at abarabove.com.